Happy birthday to you. 1, 2, 3, go! Sige. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Nag-wish ka? Wow, nice. Okay na, me. You will. Mommy's friends. Happy birthday, Mommy! Of course, with Liamski, Ate Monique, our singer. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. More blessings sa pamilya ko and more birthday to come. Yeah! Yes! Kayong dalawa pareho. Papa-wish mo daw po. Yes! Sure yan, sure yan. Happy Father's Day! Yeah. Kiss naman, Papa. Kiss naman ulit. 1, 2, 3, go! Sophie, anong wish mo kay Mami? Long life and good health. Thank you, Max. How about you, Dayan? Huwag mong sabihin the same. Me too. Sana pa? More money to come. Oh, how about you, Cassie? Any wish or message for Mami? Ha? Less chismis. Lagot ka kay Mami. More money to come. Less subo. Sige. Good health. And, ano pa lang sabi? Oh, what happened? What happened? Tigtatap yung sarili.
Day pa man.
Pamangkin ko yan! Top 3! Yes! Yes! Huy! Dear complimentary drink. Thank you very much. Please. Thank you guys. Ah, the favorite. Our favorite. Favorite? Igado. Favorite ko din to.
Favorite ko.
Oh, favorite ko din to. Lahat no?
Lahat na favorite.
Ganda ng pool. May playground pa. Si Cassie. Ito kay Kuya Boy. Ito sa akin. Sa Saro, nasa school. Sarap. For the complimentary drink. Minsan lang to. Ganda. Ay, hello po. Good morning. The beautiful owner of Tres Hijos. Yes, magsiswim tayo, girl. Swim kami, syempre magsiswimming to, di ba? Hindi pwedeng hindi. Ayan na. Hi guys, welcome. We are here at Tres Hijos today. It is Shan's birthday. Let's go.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Shan. And asan tayo ngayon, guys?
Sa Tres Hijos.
Tres Hijos. Kumain na ba kayo? Parang wala tayong energy today. Entrance pa. track! Ganda! It's a very nice... Sandy Chip! Ang yan ang sinasabi. Oh my God! Nice, nice! This is what you call kutsinta. So, ano yung nagustuhan mo dito sa Tres Ios, ma?
Yung kape.
Ah, yung kape. Tapos yung swimming pool. Gusto mo din. And ano yung in-order mong kape?
Yung pinakang mahal siyempre.
Nice! I love it. Babalik ka pa ba dito?
Opo.
Babalik ka pa?
Oo, ulit-ulitin ko ito.
Nice.
Ang ganda.
Hi guys, so today I will show you how my mother reacts when I use my phone. Just show you. Oh wait, I don't want to like do that because she might like confiscate my phone again for like the 100th time today. This is my mother. She's like that. And then, hi kayo. Oh gosh, guys. Sophie, ang tugtog mo! Ang tugtog mo! Hi everyone! Today we're going to punta at Teka na, ano na? Mali na naman! Mali na naman! Mali na naman! Tingnan mo nga to kasi kung okay yung angle ko. Nakamura siya. Yung angle ko kung okay lang ba ito. Tingnan mo. Tingnan mo. Ang ingay mo, Mark! Nag-vlog ako.